Let me do that real quick. So Rogelio was asking, can this go to a histogram? Absolutely. Let me do that over here.
You should add a 5. You should add 5.
I should.
Just so it can be equal.
So this is about 10.
Oh, stop.
And by the way, like the wideness of each bar should be about the same size. Like I'm not very good at this, but you all will be much better. You don't have to write these inside here. I just do it so I know. Magali, question? No. Karina just said something funny. So you're making a weird face. Got it.
And from turn into one of those, the other ones you drew, you'll put from 0 to 4, right?
Yeah, or I could go like 0 to 3, like whatever I wanted the bin size. But yes, to make them all be in one, I go 0 to 4. Question. So now, tomorrow, how much time do we have? Wow, okay, we need to keep moving. Okay, now, the difference between a bar graph and a histogram. I feel like a lot of people confuse these very often. So I put a bar graph next to a histogram. So there are two major differences. One, a bar graph is more often used for categorical data, and a histogram is more used for quantitative data. Remember, quantitative is like a quantity. Categorical is like a category. And notice on the histogram, the bars are touching each other. Whereas on the bar graph, there was some space. Because the data for a histogram, they're in numbers that kind of keep going together, so you don't want a gap. Whereas with a categorical data, you could have like USA, France, whatever the countries that they have listed there. Right? And then, Khadijah? No, right.
But wouldn't that be categorical too, because you're saying about the AP scores? So you're categorizing them based on their AP scores?
But these are each like numbers, right? Each of these are numerical.
They have to be numbers
Yeah.
for it to be a histogram.
They have to be numbers for it to be a histogram. True statement. Okay. So let's do the model problem here. So give me 8 more minutes tomorrow. I'll get it done. Really, did you get this down? All right. Does anybody still need this up here?
Is it?
It's in the front decks.
What's this?
The blue sheet there. You want to restart the video, Alex?
No.
Glad that was caught on tape.
Why? It's only 3 minutes.
Oh, that's all it's been?
I reset it already.
Oh, you already reset it. Oh, okay, look at you. You're taking good ownership. Okay. So, sketch a histogram. So I'm going to do the model problem, then I'm going to release you guys. So on the model problem, what I would say is when I'm writing the data, I would write it from least to greatest. So 10, 10, 12. I already did this problem. Why am I redoing it?
What is it? 15, 16.
10, 10, 12, 15, 16,
22.
21, 22, 22, 22, 23. Folks should be copying this down.
23.
Oh, this.
All right, here we are. So got all the data in order from least to greatest. So step 1 is let's decide what the bins should be. I'm thinking like 10 to 15, 16 to 20, 20 to, so like kind of go by 5s.
Okay.
Again, I'm just arbitrarily picking this, but it seems like that'll be good.
Okay.
So from 10 to 15, or I should probably go, yeah, 10 to 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. So this will be 10, this is 15. Now I go 15 to 20, so there's one number. Do not double count the 15. You already put that in this bin. You have a choice which one you want to do, but just be consistent. So I put the 10 to 15 in here. So this is only going to be, so this would be 4. This is 1 from 15 to 20. Okay, I'm done up to here. From 20 to 25 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 from 20 to 25. 25 to 30 is 1. $30 to $35 is 1, 2. $35 to $40 is 3. And then nothing from 40 to 45, nothing from 45 to 50, and then 1 from 50 to 55. Any questions on how I got this? Obviously no bars here because no data points are there. So this would be the histogram. This would probably get like 90% of the points. So down here we want to tell us, what are we talking about? So we're talking about pre-test scores. So pre-test scores. And what am I measuring over here? I'm measuring the frequency. Or the number of people who got those scores. So you can write either one. I'll just put frequency.
Can we just draw a symbol?
Frequency.
You did that.
He said you could draw the
Sequel. Oh, ha ha ha. Well done.
You finally.
Questions on how we got this? So now let's analyze the data a little bit. So clearly we have a mode in scores between 20 to 25. We have a mode from 20 to 25. I like to, when I'm describing it, to think about, yeah, Alex?
Wait, so what scale was this grading on? Or did they all just fail?
I have no earthly idea.
Because you can't describe it unless you know the scale that it's graded on. Because the data makes no sense then.
So let's just say this is like the questions they got right out of 100. I don't know.
They
It's
all-
a pre-test. They didn't do well. Right? It's a pre-test. It's supposed
They
to
all
be.
still fail.
Right, it's supposed to be. Because it's a pre-test. They don't know anything.
Okay.
You want to measure the gap, like how much they all learn. Okay, now I usually like to think about things in terms of the 5-number Korean turnaround summary. 5-number summary is minimum, Q1, median, Q3, max. This just really helps in terms of thinking about what's going on. The minimum, I'd write 10. Maximum, 51. Okay, the median is the middle number. So I want to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I want to basically go 9 on each side.
23.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's somewhere between 22 and 23. We just average it, 22.5. So the median here is 22.5. That is the middle number. Question, Chun-Li? No. Now we need Q1. So there were 18 numbers. So a quarter of 18 is about 4 or 5, somewhere in that range. So somewhere here, 15.5. Right? And Q3 will be about, after 13 numbers, about, again, remember, we're just ballparking it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 32. And here we have it. And again, these are not going to, it's not necessarily exactly 25% will be below. Usually it's right exact, but if it's 24.5% below, that's fine. Not every number of data points can be divided nicely by 4. Okay. And there we have it. And now we could say, okay, we know the center, 22.